I think right off like graduating high school, I was sure that I wanted to do health science. As a little girl, I would say I want to be a doctor. But then I grew up and I realized that, being a doctor is it's very difficult. I wanted to go in the same route, but I didn't want all that schooling and I wanted something a little shorter. I looked into PA, but I was very interested that, in 6 years I could become a professional who can diagnose, who can prescribe, who can have my own patients and look at them. I really love the classes here and I love the experience. I've transferred to Rutgers Camden now, and I definitely think that taking the courses here at Mercer have helped me. Now taking classes at Rutgers, now I can just continue my health science major, and complete all the rest of my courses. So it was definitely like a bump, a little push, so that I could get into the feeling of what college is going to be about.